Hi, Ryan.
No.
No. Nature woodland walk video. Stupid. Lily, put your hand up. Hi.
Hi, fine.
Hi, Cloudy. Yeah, I am. Thanks.
You alright?
Yeah. You? Ryan's not. He's been stroppy.
Not so much a nature walk, it's along the tarka.
It is a nature walk.
Along the tarka trail.
It is a nature walk. It's not along the tarka trail. It's a nature walk. Ryan, shut up. It's not a nature walk. It's along the tarka trail.
Okay.
Wait. No. The other way round. It is a nature walk.
The squirrels, haven't we?
Yeah, we've seen a squirrel. But I saw one squirrel. They saw two. They saw two. Ha 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 ha. Clyde didn't see him. Here's your Clyde. Clyde! Hey, Clyde, Clyde. Help puppy. Oh, okay then. It's going back to the car. Shut up. No, it shouldn't. Don't be silly. Like giraffes.
Those are the wild animals and the fox wheel.
No, I didn't, Ryan. Shut up. Shut up, Ryan. You're definitely in my nature walk, you know. I got your face in it. I have. I have. See you later, suckers. I've already got your face in it, Ryan. There's no point hiding it. Bye.